Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a really quick video because I just got a box in today from Steve's Leaves, and this is the first time I've ever ordered from them, and I'm really excited about this plant. It is only one plant that I got today, so that's why it'll be really quick, but I figured I'd do a quick little video to show you guys what I added to my collection. Let's open this box. Okay, let's open this up here. What to do when your order arrives. Cute, I like that. And then we have my invoice, which I'll put over there. All right, guys, ready? Oh. It's gonna get a little messy. Bear with me here. Look at this. Hoya Shepherdii? Is that how you pronounce it? Shepherdii. Correct me if I'm saying that wrong. This looks like it's in great condition. I really hope that you can see that. Sorry, I'm filming kind of weird today. Oh, this is much bigger than I expected it to be, and there's new growth here. I'm so excited about this. I am gonna get this potted up, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm done potting it up. Okay, another weird angle. I know, I agree, but you know, I didn't do the dishes this morning, and this is kind of like a spur of the moment video, so bear with me here. We're just gonna get this repotted, and I was gonna just repot it and then kind of show you guys the aftermath, but I wanted to take this out of its packaging and kind of show you how Steve's Leaves packages their stuff. So this plastic was up around here so the soil wouldn't go everywhere, and this is like wet newspaper, which is also placed on top of the soil so that it doesn't fall over the box, which I can appreciate. The soil that I'm using is a pretty common Hoya soil mix. I'm using a little bit of cactus soil with perlite, a little extra perlite, and a little bit of orchid bark. They love to have a drink from time to time, but they do not like their feet wet. So I hear that they're pretty finicky when it comes to watering and like kind of prone to root rot if you're not careful. So I'm being careful. Let's see what this root system looks like. All right, not too bad. You guys can see it. Not root bound. I am just going to kind of loosen it up a smidge. And they pretty much have the same mix going on here that I have. I can see some bark chips in here with some perlite and some soil. Oh, this fits perfect in here. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna backfill it a little bit. Give me 1 second. Doesn't need a ton. Oh Lord, I'm making a big old mess. Ah! All right. Smidge more. These leaves are very much like succulent-esque, so they're pretty hardy, and I am so happy with how this looks. I am going to give you a close-up of it right now. Hold on. Look at that. I'm gonna clean up the leaves there a little bit. There's just a little bit of hard water deposits on there, but other than that, I'm so happy with it, guys. Yay! I joined the Shepherdii. Did I say it right? Join the club. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me on this quick little unboxing repotting video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more fun, mini, weird videos for me in the future. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.